Welcome to Indian Capital Technology Center, where we develop world-class leaders for the workplace. My name is Sarah Northcutt, your student advisor at the new and beautiful Coweta campus. Our mission is to provide individuals with world-class training that leads to success in a wide range of high-demand careers. We are here to help shape your future through hands-on, real-world training in a variety of exciting career fields. Do you have a passion for creativity and innovation? In our cosmetology program, you'll develop the skills to design stunning hair, deliver exceptional skincare treatments, and provide expert nail services. This hands-on experience takes place in our interactive, full-service salon where you'll prepare for a career while preparing for the Oklahoma State Board of Cosmetology licensure. Whether you become a stylist, barber, or entrepreneur, this program is a gateway to the beauty industry. If you dream of making a difference in people's lives, consider our Health Careers program. Our Health Careers program is designed to help you explore various medical fields. You'll gain hands-on experience and earn certifications like CNA and CPR First Aid. Whether you're looking to work in hospitals, nursing homes, or private care, Indian Capital is committed to providing world-class training for future healthcare leaders. For those with a passion for technology, our Information Technology program offers training in building, diagnosing, and securing information systems. With certifications such as A+, Network+, and Security+, you'll be prepared to tackle the ever-evolving challenges of the tech world. Ready to work as a network technician, security analyst, or IT support specialist. Interested in a hands-on career with a strong demand? Our plumbing program equips you with the knowledge and practical experience needed to succeed in both residential and commercial plumbing. Earn hours towards your Oklahoma Plumbing Apprentice licensure while you gain skills in reading blueprints, maintaining water systems, and preparing for your journeyman's license. Students will have the knowledge and skills to earn 2 out of the 3 years towards your licensure. Welcome to one of the most popular programs on our campus, Welding. Our welding program is designed for problem solvers who want to design and engineer unique solutions. From blueprint reading to mastering welding techniques like MIG, TIG, or stick welding, this program prepares you for a career in welding fabrication. At Indian Capital Technology Center, we are more than just a training facility. We are your partner in building a successful future. With expert instructors, state-of-the-art facilities, and industry certifications, Indian Capital is committed to shaping the leaders of tomorrow. Are you ready to take the next step in your career journey? Contact us today and explore your future at Indian Capital Tech Center.